So, you guys know what play buttons are. Those are the awards that YouTube gives out when you guys reach 100,000 subscribers, a million subscribers, and 10 million subscribers. And if you go higher than that, you get a special award at certain milestones. But I thought that right now that I'm on 18 subs, that I'm not going to get a play button for a long time. So I thought it'd be fun just to print one. So, let's go and see how that went. Also, side note, this project has made me run out of filament already, and yeah, I've still got 14 hours to print. I do have this. I do have all of this that I managed to salvage from the bit that's the one that snapped like all the way through from all my other videos. So hopefully this is enough. If you can see it, yeah. Hopefully this is enough to print what I've got left. If it's not, well, this project's not going to be finished, and I'll have to wait until my other set of filament arrives. So first, I measured out the exact size of the play button using Fusion 360 to get an accurate size. After that, I got a ruler and a pencil and marked it on the white side of the TV box so that I had no promotion TV stuff on the back of it. After that, I cut the square out using a blade to easily cut the square out and take it out and separate it from the rest of the cardboard. After I did that, I aligned all the pieces that I printed on the back of the cardboard, but then later realized that that was completely pointless. So I moved aside the parts that I haven't glued and only put it on top of the cardboard when I was sticking it down, so I didn't get confused on which parts I stuck down and which parts I haven't. After I did that, I got a hairdryer to speed up the drying process. Otherwise, it would have taken too long and I wouldn't be able to publish this video in time. So, here's my play button that's now falling apart. So, I try to make it look as close to the real one as possible, so I put presented Jazzy Prints for passing 100,000 subscribers. I didn't want to put another YouTube channel's name in there because this is my channel and I wanted to personalize it a bit, I guess. This took way longer than I thought it would. It took about 43 hours, I think, in total. And a lot more filament than I thought. I've run out of filament. This is a little snippet of the cracked bits of filament that I had left that I had to use because I had so little filament. And that's why this part is just like a couple of layers thick and held on by those little stumps that I put glued on. Otherwise, I'll just have a massive gap there and I didn't want that. Hopefully in the future, when I get more white PLA, I can fix that hole and actually have a full 3D printer play button. Also, if I get a bigger 3D printer, I want to print this again, but instead of printing it in 15 different parts, I want to print it as one big thing, so stuff like these cracks in between all the parts and this doesn't happen, which should make it look a lot better than it does right now. So from now on, I might have this just propped up in the back of my videos, just for fun, until I get my actual 100,000 subscribe play button, if that ever happens. Highly doubt it, but if it does, I'll replace this with that. But until then, it's just gonna be staying on the back. Making this was quite fun, but quite annoying because nobody out there on YouTube or anyone on the internet has really measured the new play button. So I had to watch like random videos about people unboxing the video and use the odd comment that people use, like one YouTuber saying, "Oh, this play button is almost the same size as the old version of the play button." And then I kind of eyeballed it on parts where a YouTuber showed the thickness of this play button and the other play button side by side, and I just assumed that the old play button was double the size of the new one. But the output was quite nice. Sure, I couldn't find the actual font they used for the lettering on Fusion 360, but I ain't complaining because, to be honest, it looks pretty close to the real thing, even if the whole thing's very springy actually. Don't know why it's so springy. And yeah, the reason why I wanted the back to be white is because otherwise it'll just have some sort of LG promotion on the back. I didn't want that on the back. I just want it to be plain. And the only cardboard I had was the LG TV box, so I tried to find this plain side, which, to be honest, I feel like adds to the play button because it makes it look like the whole thing's white, which I actually like. So that's it for this video. Goodbye.